this is Reverend Ken Wilcox at the Center for Spiritual Living here in St. Augustine, Florida. I'm coming to you today with some really amazing news. We will be starting our indoor services officially this coming Sunday, June 6th. Now, meditation, as always, will start at 9:30. At 9:45, you'll start hearing the amazing music of Eddie Watkins Jr. If you hadn't heard him in person yet, you're in for a really wonderful surprise. The 10 o'clock service will be start as usual. You'll notice some differences. We're not going to pass the plate as we used to. We're not going to have announcements. We want to fill the music with inspiring messages and inspiring music. And I think that's exactly what we're doing. Now, we're doing a couple of things to make sure that we're still being safe. We've taken out many of the chairs here in the auditorium, so there's plenty of area to spread around. If you feel a need to wear a mask, please do. We'll be certainly welcoming for that. If you still want to stay outside, we have special speakers set up so you can sit outside at tables, and we've got some extra chairs out there, and we've got some fans to try to keep you comfortable, and you'll be able to hear the message outside and still be able to see your friends. Now, dear ones, I know this past year has been tough for many of us. I've lost many friends. I remember one dear friend, and no one was even able to get to her room to hold her hand when she was going through her transition. And I know many of us have gotten comfortable staying inside. But that's not the community we need, and that's not the community that's going to be able to grow and thrive and to get our message, one of inclusion, one of love, one of compassion, that's so desperately needed in this time of turmoil. So I know it might be a bit uncomfortable, but please get out of your PJs, get here on Sunday morning at 9:30, and I can assure you, you're going to leave here in a significant way, healed, blessed, and prospered. You'll be the better for it. This is Reverend Ken, wishing you many blessings, and look forward to seeing you this Sunday at 9:30.
Satisfy my soul. Let the new day begin. Let the evening roll. Let the big sky in. Satisfy my heart, 'cause it's so good to feel the love that's all around, and all the hurt will heal. Oh, this is what my heart needs to feel. Satisfy my soul. Take away the pain. Something's got to end. Again, satisfy my heart, 'cause it's so good to feel the love that's all around, and all the hurt will heal. Oh, feeling, every feeling, His wish and every wish you have come true. About to come to you, satisfy my soul. Let the new day